All right, these are some review problems for the 7.1 to 7.4 test. I want you to pause the video right now, work this problem out, and then when you're ready to see the solution, press play. All right, the major concept that you need to understand to do any problem like this, it says, the solution of the system negative 2x plus 5y equals 20 and 3x minus 7y equals b is 10, comma a. Find the values of a and b. You need to realize that a solution makes an equation true. And if I substitute the solution into either of the equations, since it is a solution, it will make the equation true. I'm going to start by taking this solution and substituting it in to the first equation. Why did I choose the first equation? Because this is what x is and this is what y is. And if I substitute 10 and a in for x and y, I will have an equation that is only going to have an a in it. I can then solve for a. So I'm going to rewrite that equation. Negative 2x plus 5y equals 20. Let's substitute. Negative 2 times 10 plus 5 times y, but y is a, equals 20. We know that since that is a solution, it's going to make this true, which means I can use this to solve for a. This is going to be negative 20 plus 5a equals 20. Add 20 to both sides. 5a is 40. Divide by 5. So a is 8. So I now know that a equals 8. And I'm going to write that over there. So don't I also now know that the solution to my system is 10, 8. Well, now I know that what x and y are. Can't I now, same exact idea, substitute that solution into the other equation because it makes both equations true? Watch what will happen. 3x minus 7y equals b. Well, let's substitute this in. 3 times 10 minus 7 times 8 equals b. That's 30 minus what? 56 equals b. So that's negative 26. So b is negative 26. All I used in that problem was the concept of a solution makes an equation true. All right. Here's another one. I'm going to pause this. If you're sitting at home, I want you to work it out. Same thing here. Okay. Find the value of b that makes the system's equations have the solution for 20. What am I going to do here to find b? Casey, to which equation? This is x, this is y. So I'm substituting into this equation. Why did I choose this one? Because this is the one that has b in it, right? So 20 is y equals b. We don't know what b is. I'm going to leave b. X is 4, and I'm going to put 4 in front of it. So instead of b4, which is like a fighter plane, it's 4b plus 28. Well, now look how easy that is. Solve for b. Subtract 28. Negative 8 equals 4b. Divide by 4. B equals negative 2. Bingo, bango, done. If I substituted this into the first equation, look what would have happened. 20 equals 6 times 4 minus 4. Well, isn't 6 times 4 24 minus 4? So 20 equals 20. Does that help me find b at all? No, but it shows me that it's a solution, and they already told us that. I don't even need to worry with the first equation. All right.